Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Windows 11 slow startup. Click search, then type control panel, open control panel, click power option, then choose what the power button do, follow my screen. Step 2. Click search, then type PowerShell, open PowerShell, run as administrator, type this command. Click enter, type this command and click enter. Click search, then type task manager, open task manager, run as administrator, select startup. Right click on it and select disable. Right click start menu, select device manager, click display adapters, right click your driver, select update driver, select browse my computer for drivers, click next. Click search, then type turn Windows feature on or off, then open. Follow my screen. Click search, then type control panel, open control panel, follow my screen, click system and security, click system, then click advanced system setting, click settings, click advanced, click change, follow my screen, select set, click OK, click OK, then click apply and OK, click OK, select restart now. Thanks for watching.